Hi guys, welcome back to kiarabharris. I hope everybody is having a blessed day today. So today we're going to be doing a product review on this clarifying shampoo by My Black is Beautiful. And first off, let's get into this packaging. Ain't the packaging super cute? I really love the packaging, and that is one of the reasons why I picked it up. I love the black and gold. Those are two of my favorite colors. Then it got the little hint of blue in there. And when I picked it up, I realized that it was a clarifying shampoo, and I was like, okay, you know, the lock community, we love our clarifying shampoos to really give our locks a deep clean. And I also seen that it was black on, so that was another plus. So I was like, okay, let me give it a little try. So the shampoo has blue ginger with tea tree oil in it. And what it does, you know, it resets the scalp by providing a clean base to moisturize. It improves scalp conditions, you know, as you wash. Anything with tea tree in it, y'all, is bomb. I'm just gonna let y'all know that. But let's get into the wash. So the wash, y'all, was amazing. I'm not even exaggerating. The wash was amazing. First, the shampoo smells good. It smells really good, actually. And it kind of reminded me of a moisturizing shampoo, because most clarifying shampoos don't really lather up like that. But this shampoo, as you guys can see, oh my gosh, it lathered up so well. And my hair was not dry, like it didn't feel stripped after using this shampoo. Some of the other shampoos, clarifying shampoos, feel that way after you finish using them, but this shampoo didn't. And I actually used this shampoo twice. So usually I will do a clarifying shampoo and then I follow it with a moisturizing shampoo. Well, on both washes, I used this clarifying shampoo, and then I just kind of went in with my leave-in conditioner after, because this shampoo did not leave my hair like stripped. So I really love it, y'all. Do y'all see that lather? Like how much lather it has, and it lathers up so quickly. But like I said, this shampoo was amazing. I actually was like, this was one of those buys where you be like, dang, I need to go get another one because I don't want to run out. That's how this shampoo was. It worked very well, y'all. I love this shampoo. Okay guys, and this is what my hair looks like literally after I washed my hair with this shampoo. I don't have anything else on my locks yet, but look at it. Like, my hair doesn't even look like super dry or anything. So I would give this shampoo a 10, to be honest, and I would definitely recommend you try it out if you've been eyeing it. Actually, I never heard of the brand before until I seen it, so I'm definitely going to be checking out some of their other products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Peace.